So I'm sharing my screen with you that you can see what the 9-step roadmap is all about. And I think you heard a lot about my training about the 9-step roadmap and how to become successful. So let's start this presentation. So why should you listen to me? Why must you come and listen to what I'm presenting and what is the value I will give to you? Firstly, we are living in a world of uncertainty. With corona pandemic, with everything happening, people losing jobs, we never know what's lying ahead for tomorrow. I've been in this difficulty. I lost my job with corona. I have to make ends meet. And this is why I'm so dedicated about my program to help others in the same situation. I want to help you in every way I can. I know this program can give you the financial freedom you need. I'm using the 9-step program myself. And as you know, as affiliates, we promote things that we believe in, and we promote any product that we've used ourselves. So I'm doing what I found is working for me, and I know it will work for you. So there's a lot of opportunities we can use. If you look at the social media, what is available? I cannot even mention everything that's available. But do we have the opportunity? Do we know how to do it the right way? Do we know how to get income from any of these opportunities? If you don't have a mentor and you don't follow a strategy, it's very difficult to make money. So to follow a proven strategy, I've got my 9-step roadmap here. So first, you have to decide what is your expertise. Then we will talk about the message, the offer. What do you want to sell? What do you want to do? Are you a coach? Any niche that you're in, this will fit, as this goes through a definite process, but it's usable in any niche. So then we will look at our perfect client. Who's the client that I want to serve? There's a saying, if you serve all, you serve no one. So we have to niche down and decide who is the client that needs our service. Then we will talk about Facebook marketing. Facebook marketing, but now I've structured my training to go to Facebook, as Facebook is one of the most proven strategies and platforms that you can use for getting clients. The next step is the branding. You have to brand your program. You hear people say you have to have a signature program that you're proud of and that you will promote. And this is what I'm doing. I can promote this 9-step roadmap as I'm using it. I know it's working and it's proven. So that's why I say we have to brand ourselves. The next step is our lead magnet. What are you going to use to get your people into the door? What are we going to support the customer with? What is their pain points? What are the things they need from us? If we have a strategy session, that's where we discuss one-to-one who the session is for. Will it be for you? Can I help you? Can I support you? And also, I will do a little audit about what you did already. Did you already start a business? What do you have in place? How can I support you? And this is what happens in your strategy session. Then after the strategy session, if you decided you will enroll the client and you will help the client, that's when we have to do the fulfillment. And at the end, we ask our clients to let us know how did they experience our training. As a coach, I want to know, should I improve somewhere? What was good? What can I improve? And that's why we always ask for testimonials of our students. So going to my next session, I just showed you my roadmap. Now in my roadmap, the validate and create is 3 steps. Lead generation, 3 steps, and enroll and serve is 3 steps. So if I go back to the previous, just to tell you, this 3 is where we validate and create. This is where we look at what is our skills, what can we use, what offer we can make available, and who is the client we serve. Now in the next 3 steps is the lead magnet, and this is where we choose which platform we want to use. You can choose any platform, no matter where you feel comfortable in. This is the platform that you can use. And then you brand your product and you make your lead magnet to pull your clients into your system. Then the last one is where we serve our client. Now that we know what's our skills, what do we have, who's our perfect client, we brand our training and we have our signature program. We're selling it to our client and we fulfill their needs and we ask a testimonial. So now I call this my 9 steps and I do it in 90 days. Now, why do I do it in 90 days? Do you think it's too long? Well, for me, I don't think so. If I look at our busy life, where we have a lot of extra commitments, especially if you're a family member, if you have children, if you're working, there's a lot of things that keep us busy. And from my experience, if you push things too hard and you overwhelm yourself, you don't get to the end. And my plan with this is to make sure you get to the end of my 90 days with a business that's set up and ready to go, and you will make your commissions every month. So why did I do this? Month 1 is where we will validate and create. The first week, I will give you the information about what you have to do and how do you have to check what expertise do you have, what message do you have, and who will be your client. I have some documents that I will share with you for each of these to make sure that you get the right things in place. Now, this is 3 weeks. So I will have a training session and then I will have a question and answer session also live in this week to make sure you can ask any questions. I will have the second week messaging. What message will you send? What offer will you create for your client? And then also, who is the client? And the 4th week, are we on target? This week we will spend to catch up. What did we not do? Where did we lack information? And what do we need to fulfill our first 3 steps? Once we are on target, we move to month 2, where we will look at marketing. Which platform will you use? How will you market? And how will you get your clients coming to you? We will also look at branding. What branding are you going to use? And how will you brand the product that people can see you in the product that you're selling? And your lead magnet. As you have a product, you know which market, you know your client, you know everything of the message and what is your expertise. You will now develop a lead magnet that you can give to your client to show them that you are the one that will be able to help them. So now that we're on target on the 4th week, we move on to the next one. The strategy call. You're ready to go. Everything is in place. Now you need to talk to your client. You need to build trust to make sure they understand what you want to do. And then after the strategy call, if you can see that you will be able to support them, help them, and lift the pain points for them, you enroll them. And once they enrolled, you never leave them alone. You make sure that they fulfill every step. And that's why I have this on target week, where I can support and help you to make sure that you never be left behind. Once we've finished and the clients are happy, you ask for the fulfillment and the testimonial. And of course, after the 3 months or 90 days, we can celebrate. You did it. Your business is set up, ready to go. With everything, it's not so easy. We have crucial rules for success. Now, what do you think is those rules? What do you need to do to be successful? It's not a lot that I expect of you. You have to commit to the process. Once you decide you want to join my training, I would like you to participate and commit. You must show up every week. And I understand not everybody will be able to show up every week. So this session is recorded and you can watch the replay. And lastly, do the work. I will give you some homework and I will give you the documents, all the tools that you need to be able to complete the homework for the week. And please do little steps at a time, and that will make sure that you will succeed. Furthermore, once you decide this is for you, you want to subscribe and you want to join my program. Now, what do you get and what does it cost? This is the question that all of us are asking nowadays because life is tough. Things are expensive. We lost our jobs. We don't have the income that we used to. This course is making extra additional income for the gaps we have. So how much will it cost me if I want to sign up for this course? Firstly, I want to tell you guys what you will get and what is included in this program. As you can see, I'm your mentor and you stuck with me. And I'll make sure that you will succeed. If I put my heart on this, I will make sure that you succeed. So we have weekly coaching sessions and bi-weekly one-to-one accountability calls. If I have 10 people, 5 people will be the first week that I will talk to them. And in the next week, I'll talk to the next 5. Because I want the one-to-one sessions also with you guys to know what are you struggling with. Not only in a group, but one-to-one. You have access to my closed 90-day Facebook group for affiliate marketers, where we help each other, where we support each other, and we motivate each other. Because this is not easy. And it's very easy to fall in a trap, to decide this is too hard work, we don't want to do it. The other thing that I also find out with my experience, to drip schedule the content weekly. I'm not throwing out everything there and say, start working. If I drip feed the content, I know exactly what you're doing, what you're working with, and how you're doing. And before we go on to the next week, I know exactly that you're up to date and you're up to the target for continuing with the next step. The worksheets, graphic templates, everything will be included. How can I expect you to do something if I don't support you with worksheets and graphic templates? Your Facebook setup. I will also, if you decide you want to use Facebook, give you more information about what is important in your Facebook profile, how to use your Facebook profile effectively. Content templates and all the tools you will need will be part of what I will be giving you. And what I found, if you keep track of your daily activity, it's the easiest way for you to see, I'm behind, I have to catch up, or I can sit back and relax. I've done it, waiting for the next content to come. Pre-designed proven email swipes and automation to deliver your lead magnets. I will help you with this, as it's very difficult to write emails that converts. And that's why I decided to give you all this information and support you. And if there's anything else you need, I can't write down every little bit that I will do, but you will get the support from me. The total value of everything is nearly $8,000. I'm not asking $8,000. I know how it is and how difficult life could be. When I set up this course and started with it, the price was $1,500. And I thought, this is not bad. But because of the time that we're in, because of the difficulty with finances, I decided to give you a 50% off bonus. So if you sign up today, you only have to pay $750 for the whole 3 months. $250 per month for all the things I give. I don't think this is too much. And this is the page, but I will share with you that you can start and sign up. So this is the tailored plans that I have for you. You will get 50% off on all plans if you sign up now. First, you can pay in full, and it will be $750. Then one-time payment, no payment again. The next step, if you want to make it in 2 payments, you can pay me in 2 payments of $400 each. And if this is still too much for your pocket, you can make a 3rd payment or 3 payments in my plan 3 that you will pay $300 for each month that we're busy working. And if you click on buy now, you will go directly into this page where you can sign up for my course. This is in short what the 9 steps is all about. Now this 9-step roadmap really transformed my life. And what I thought I knew about online business, it's easy to be successful following a proven roadmap. But if you try it on your own and you're falling around, signing up for shiny objects and just never get to the end goal. I know, I've been through that. I did that myself. So seeing that I went through this, I don't want you to fall in the same pitfalls and fighting through the system like I did. This is my first year where I can say I have a proven roadmap, I follow a strategy, and I don't have to worry about money. Check out the links below. I will make this available for you, and I will put all the links that you need below this. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen or in my program.